Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play the C major scale on the neck with the cage rule approach. So our first note is C. So the way we're going to learn it, we this four fingers will be playing where they're supposed to play. So this second finger is playing the first fret. The third finger will be playing the second fret. The fourth finger will be playing the third fret. The next note is D. Next, next, next. So let me do it again. C, then D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So let's play it backward. So again, let's learn it again. This shape is C form.